Hi guys.
Wait. I'm gonna go out today a little bit. I'm going to Eco Park. Me and my mother, my two best friends Nishadi and Pritisha and their mothers. And so I thought I will vlog a little bit. So taking advantage of such an auspicious day, may I do a little get ready with me. I need to put you up somewhere you can watch over me while I get ready. I can't do better than this. Okay, I'll show you all what I do for my makeup, alright? Get ready to have some serious beauty tips.
Disgusting!
First thing is moisturizer, kids, because moisturizing your skin is very important. I use this Nivea moisturizer because this is the only cream that suits my skin. Every other cream burns me to death. I have kind of sensitive skin. It just starts crying. People say you should use primer before applying makeup. They sell this much of primer and it's so pricey. So I went on YouTube and searched what else can be used as a primer. A lot of videos said aloe vera gel. I don't know if it does anything. I use it and hope for the best. Okay, so look, LA Girl Pro Conceal, a lot of beauty influencers use it, I don't know. I bought it sometime in the middle of 2019 and the whole 2020 I didn't use it because I wasn't going anywhere, so I didn't need concealer. By the end of 2020, one day I took it out and tried putting it on and it's not working anymore. I mean, when I'm squeezing it, see, water is coming out of it. What? Is this supposed to happen? Do concealers have an expiry date? This is going to the trash can. Now that my concealer is gone, I only have the option of foundation. So I have this foundation, Maybelline Superstay. Nobody cares. I have very bad under eyes, in case you haven't noticed. It's genetic. All my friends, they think I study a lot secretly and don't tell them, you know, like toppers do. And that's why I have dark circles. But they're not really dark circles. They're just, I don't know, do you call them deep set eyes? They're genetic. My father's eyes are also like that. I have nothing that I can do about it. This is such a bad angle. But you're not here to learn makeup, are you? You're here to hang out with me. Right? Save your tears for another day. About this place that I'm going to, it's in Kolkata. That's where I live. People who live in Kolkata or in West Bengal at least will know what is Eco Park. People who don't, it's basically like a big park where they sell economics books. I'm not joking. As far as I have heard, there are the 7 wonders of the world in mini form. So I'm really looking forward to that. That will make some good background for some Instagram pictures. It's been so long since the last time I vlogged and I think I'll be really shy in public because there's gonna be a lot of people, you best believe. Most probably what is gonna happen is that I'm gonna film whatever I want and then I will just put a voice over on it. Also, has anyone noticed while I'm doing my foundation, why is this hand just stuck like this? It's like one of those things when you put on mascara and you are like, I'm tired of bouncing this shit on my face. This is just a plain powder that my mom had. Put it like this because I've seen people do it like this. It's called baking, in case you don't know. I'm thinking of putting a little bit of eyeshadow. I'm running so late. Done. I don't know why I do this. It doesn't make any difference. Man ki tasalli. I can never make my 2 eyeliner wings look the same. They're supposed to look like identical twins, but they look like cousins. It's bad. Why God, why me? I don't care anymore at this point. I have grown used to it. Mascara, I use this one. Maybelline Hyper Curl. For eyebrows, I have this old mascara. It's empty except something black still comes out of it. I'm done fixing my face. It's still ugly, but whatever. Try to fix this mess I call my hair and I'll see you in a sec. I'm ready. I put my hair in this, I don't know, half bun thing. My pants are literally falling off. I have a weird figure. My thighs are fat, my waist is small, and so my pants always fall off. Outfit check. Wait, I don't have a clean mirror. Wait. Outfit check. Whatever. So me and my mom started on our journey. The plan was, first we will go to Nishadi's house and from there, me, Nishadi and our moms will go to Eco Park where we were supposed to meet Pritisha and her mom. When me and my mom got to Nishadi's house, they still were not ready. After sitting there for some time, we booked an Uber and started our grand journey together. Now whenever I go somewhere where Nishadi is also going, I always keep my earphones at home because I always use hers. हम एक साथ बैठ के गाना सुनते हैं. But she sat in the front seat of the Uber. So having no other option, I was enjoying the music that Uber bhaiya was playing. And here are our beautiful moms. That's my mom waving to you, say hi. But no matter how much I tried to distract myself with the music, I couldn't ignore the feeling that was growing in my stomach. मुझे उल्टी आ रही थी. बस या कार में जर्नी करने से जो उल्टी जैसी आती है, वो वाली. It had only been like 5 minutes. Because of the pandemic, I have been locked in my home for so long, my body literally forgot how it feels like to be inside a moving car. And trust me, when this thing happens to me, it gets bad. So I kept on focusing on the voice of Lata Mangeshkar instead of the feeling in my stomach. At last, after 40 minutes of surviving that torture, I saw the gate of Eco Park. And Pritisha's arrival timing was absolutely perfect, as they came just as we got out of our Uber. Yeah, and my mom kept on posing for the camera every chance she got. We proceeded to get the tickets, and here is an awkward OOTD clip for you. Let me give you a brief image of what all Eco Park has to offer. It's basically big fields filled with grass, trees, bushes and flowers. There are also a lot of extra entertainment things like differently themed gardens, fountains, a big lake, toy train, boating, cycling, and of course, the thing I was most excited about, 7 wonders of the world. I started looking for that the moment we got inside. That's all I needed to see. Seeing the big lake, my mom told me to jump in the water as I missed swimming and she missed watching me swim. I really wanted to do the cycling thing, but nobody was excited about it as much as me. So I let it go. On the other hand, Nishadi kept on speaking on her phone for so long और हमें बिल्कुल भी भाव नहीं दे रही थी. So me and Pritisha decided that we both hate Nishadi and don't need her in our best friend's threesome anymore. और हम दोनों चल पड़े उसे छोड़ के. There was this statue of a girl and a dog that everyone was taking pictures with, so of course I also had to participate. My mom is cooler than your mom. There were these yellow block things for people to sit on, which for some reason made my malfunctioning brain to think it would be a good place for some funny Instagram pictures. So I dragged my personal photographer, Nishadi, to take some photos. And of course our moms didn't give a shit about whatever I was trying to do and saw it as a good chance to rest their feet. And obviously nothing good came out of this little adventure. Then our mom started their own photo shoot with Nishadi. Nishadi is always the one who takes the pictures everywhere on every occasion for everyone because A, she's a good photographer, and B, she has the best phone camera among all of us. While Nishadi and moms were busy, me and Pritisha tried doing our own photo shoot at the other side, but a few minutes later, moms invaded our space too, and other people were also coming, so I just wasn't being able to pose and get a good picture, and also I suck at posing. No proper pose comes to my head when I need to pose for a picture. Still, after a lot of struggle, my fab photographer in the whole world managed to get some good photos of me. Then we again started walking, but by this time, we were starting to feel hungry. कुछ देखा ही नहीं अभी तक and we were already hungry. Especially Pritisha. She just stood in one place and refused to take one more step forward until she was fed. So moms got her a slice, which again made her happy and bubbly. Moms got coffee. There were also chips and we had a little snack break. Ooh, Turula. After the break, we again started and I couldn't suppress the excitement I felt inside me to see the 7 wonders in there. But sadly, my teammates were not that enthusiastic about it. And literally after walking for like 3 minutes, they again decided to take a break. What the fuck? I spotted one of the 7 wonders, the Eiffel Tower, and I couldn't sit still anymore. Now we knew where our goal destination was and we just had to walk towards it. So I forced moms and daughters to start walking again. We went to this herbal garden on our way, which didn't really have much except some herb trees. And guess what? Moms and daughters saw some benches there and again decided to rest their asses. I swear these old people, it's hard being the youngest of the group. We sat there for like half an hour and Nishadi was mimicking how I act when I tell Nishadi to take my pictures.
ছবি তুললাম প্রথমে হ্যাঁ এবার আমি তোকে দেখাতে এলাম ঠিক ভালো আছে না ভালো করে তোলো না কথা তোলো এবার অন্য সময় ভালো আসছে ছবিটা উফ কি লাগছে মানি কি ভালো লাগছে আরো কটা তোলো লোকেরা এই খারাপ আছে ছেড়ে দাও ভালো এই একটা ভালো চলে স্যার দরকার
We started walking and we were again hungry. It's like there are only 2 things we feel, tired and hungry. So we all got biryani, which I would rate 6 out of 10. It was fine for managing hunger, but that's it. Now I had biryani in my stomach and Josh in my heart and nothing could stop me from seeing the 7 wonders. But my teammates, God. Now that they had their stomachs full, they just wanted to sit somewhere, talk and leave for home. अगर बिरयानी खाना और बातें शातें करना ही था तो घर पे भी तो कर सकते थे. But not gonna lie, the walk to the Eiffel Tower was way too long. We had been walking for 40 minutes and the tower still looked so small. Moms and daughters just didn't want to walk any further and were trying to convince me to give up my dream. But I was determined to get my pictures clicked in front of the 7 wonders. But no matter how much I request, they just won't get up.
আমি উঠবো না
But at last, after trying very hard, उन्होंने मेरी बात सुन ली. And again, I started following my dream. But it was still so far. But there was no way I was gonna give up at this point. On our way, me and Pritisha went into this Japanese garden, which was so pretty and peaceful. It made me want to move to Japan one day. At this point, it was feeling like my legs were gonna fall off my body. But I wasn't gonna admit that to moms, because we needed to push just a little more and we could touch the moon. I mean, 7 wonders. I couldn't wait to see all 7 of them and cherish their beauty. But the closer we got, we saw that the Eiffel Tower was outside the gate, and also where were the other 6 of them? Nishadi asked the guard about the 7 wonders, and he let us know that only the Eiffel Tower is here and the other 6 wonders are at other 6 different spots in the whole eco park. Excuse me, sir? We walked for like 2 hours and we saw none of them on our way, and after so much hard work, we get to see only the Eiffel Tower? Well, who said life is fair? Let's be happy with whatever we have. So finally, after fighting for so long, I reached the Eiffel Tower. I was in Paris, y'all. Clap for me. We stood in a long line Eiffel Tower के ऊपर वाले floor में जाने के लिए. Our moms just couldn't care less about this shit, so they just sat somewhere while 3 of us explored. And we were finally on the top of the world. Yeah, that was my Paris trip. After that, we saw the fountain show in the evening, which was really beautiful. There were so many people all of a sudden. For a second, I thought Corona was gone. We went to Wow Momo because obviously we were again starving by this time. On our way out, we lost our way and walked cluelessly for 20 minutes and found ourselves in a mask garden where there were a lot of faces like this. Some of them looked like Nishadi and Pritisha. We found the gate and we went home. This vlog sucks ass. I'm so sorry. Better vlogs in the future, 100%. Okay, bye.